Maraming salamat sa warm message na to. Sabi niya dito, dahil sa'yo may mga skills akong na-improve like communication and other things in life. Lalo na't papunta ako sa part ng adulting. God bless sa'yo, idol. Sana mapansin. Yung mga ganitong message is enough to keep me going. And hindi man perfect or hindi man lahat maibigay ko, but I hope that that's enough for you to be kick-started into a journey of lifelong learning. Yang mga matututunan nyo sa akin, that's just a start. And you could use whatever you've learned from me para pa tumungtong doon sa mas higher learning at para mas maging valuable tayo. Hindi lang sa mga pamilya natin, pati na rin sa mas larger community natin. Alam kong mahirap ang buhay and well, madadapa, magkakamali tayo, but having those mistakes is or should not stop you from moving forward and owning the result of that mistake and learning from it. Communication is one of the basic things or skills na dapat natututunan ng isang tao. But as different circumstances mold us into how we actually communicate, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. Sa sobrang dami ng language na pwede mong gamitin or pwedeng gamitin ng isang individual, doon kasi nagkakatalo. Minsan yung interpretation mo ng language siya, kung ano man yun, body, 'di ba, love language, 'di ba, so on and so forth, yung rise and fall of intonation, so on and so forth, doon magbabase yung perception mo doon sa tao. And sadly, 'di ba, hindi sumasabay yung kakayanan ng Pilipino to communicate better doon sa kapwa niya Pilipino to solve problems. And hindi lang naman yung problema kasi, it's actually present in whatever kind of relationship. Pamilya, magjowa, trabaho, 'di ba? Kaibigan, so on and so forth. Now, if yung problema pala is present doon sa lahat ng klase ng relasyon ngayon, if you suck at communicating, then what do you think would happen when you are trying to solve the problem? Doon nag-uumpisa yung misunderstanding. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.